is dates tree, very young dates tree with a fruit, very big fruit. See, it going next month, maybe August, before August, maybe first week of August or last week of July, it will going to ripe. Sa highway po tayo, industrial city, in the street guys. Ibang dates to guys, oh, matulis. Yung isang mabilog. Very nice, oh. See, it's very big. Oh guys, pwede na to. Oh, yes, this is pwede. Like a mango. Pwede na to guys, next week. Only two trees. Ibang kwanto guys, oh. Ibang klase. Okay guys, oh, laki tayo. Ang laki guys.